building an affordable walk-in refrigerator. Welcome back to our Peter Rabbit remodel. And here we have our Coolbot refrigerator system that we put in. It's a kit that comes in little panels. We talked about this on the last time you guys visited. And so this unit is designed just to park it in a space. It operates off of Wi-Fi. You just need a simple outlet to run a 20 amp AC unit. It's a portable AC unit that goes into the back wall, and it vents outside. There's a plug-in outside with an access panel. And so you got a walk-in refrigerator here. Every component here comes in pieces. So the floor comes in 3 panels. You got 3 panels down each wall, front and back, side to side. Same thing with the roof. And the roof is walkable as well. So once this thing's fully assembled, we got a light in here that's weatherproof for the cold, so you don't get any corrosion from possible moisture or condensation in the unit. It'll be ran in a conduit and punched through the sidewall. This light will operate automatically when the door opens and closes. And the AC unit works off of a Wi-Fi connection, so you can control it with your mobile devices. There's a lock on the outside, and you got a keypad as well. It gives you temperature right here, but you can lock this and secure it so no one can go in and out. And what we did is we cut into this concrete slab here, and we lowered this unit so that once we install our underlayment and hardwood floor, the floor will go right up to this unit and give about a ½ inch or so clearance to the bottom of that door, so the door can swing freely and give it a more finished look going in instead of a unit sitting on top of a floor. And then what we're going to do around here is we're looking at different options right now. We might possibly cover this with tile or some sort of slab. Leave this door section, this door panel, which is defined by this line here all the way around. Leave that as one unit to itself, and we'll do this in paint it black or something else, but we'll finish it so it doesn't look so industrial. It'll fit right into a residential home. One of the challenges that we had with this unit is the dimensions they provide in relation to door opening and depth required for this unit to fit. They weren't accurate. So when you swing the door open, you actually need an additional 2 inches because of the hinges project the door out into the space. So we had to remove the wall behind this unit, extend it back, do a little more concrete cutting, and slide the unit back to get that space we need for the door to freely open inside of our space. It's a 6x8 refrigerator, and like I said, it's a kit. It's not something that's a custom built anything. The custom work that happens to this is what we do around it. So we provide the space for it, we put it in there, and we make it fit. But it's a very reasonable option for a walk-in refrigerator. Thanks for visiting us out at Peter Rabbit. See you next time.